Welcome to Steubenville City Schools' brand new 4,000 square foot greenhouse at Steubenville High School's Puglisi STEM Academy.
This May, the SHS Agricultural Science Program hosted the first annual Wells Academy Flower Shop, and it was such a fun and educational day for our younger students.
Students from Wells Academy selected their own colorful flower pots, picked out flowers, and planted it themselves. They watered it before taking them home to care for.
But this wasn't just about flowers. It was about learning how to grow. We talked about different types of plants, how to care for them, and even how to compost, turning things like banana peels and apple cores into rich soil.
We also introduced them to urban gardening, which means growing plants in small spaces, like balconies, rooftops, or windowsills. You don't need a big yard to make a big impact.
Urban gardening is a great way to grow fresh food right in the city. It's healthier, more sustainable, and brings green spaces to our neighborhoods, especially here in Steubenville.
And this is just the beginning. This greenhouse is part of a district-wide initiative to bring agriculture and plant science into our classrooms. Across Steubenville City Schools, students will be able to learn how to grow their own food, care for the environment, and build a greener future.
From elementary to high school, we're planting the seeds of knowledge and watching them grow all across the district.
Huge thanks to our agriculture science program, the STEM Academy, and everyone who made today's event possible. We're so proud to be part of something that helps our whole community bloom.
Let's keep growing, Steubenville!